Bonjour, bienvenue, hello my beautiful souls in Poland. March 20th of March. It's a new beginning astrologically. It's new astrological year will begin today at morning at just before 10. Sun entered to Aries, so we start a new cycle. And there's a Sun Neptune conjunction, which could make you foggy, dizzy, you don't see clear, false optimism, false pessimism as well. Just how the Sun-Neptune conjunction works. I thought this morning I can make this video pretty fast without any trouble. It came out that both of my mic are gone, they're flat, so I need to make this video without mic. And I need to shout, so probably everyone in this building will listen this video recording, but I don't care because Neptune just doesn't care. Yeah, and Venus and Mercury in retrograde, Mars in Cancer, so everything is just given that we have a pretty chaotic first day of Aries. The Mercury retrograde, it could be your thinking, your thoughts, that you reinvent your thoughts. What you thought it's good, now you think it's not good. Mercury, it's communication, as public transport or transporting, could cause something, it could happen. Mars in Cancer is just a little slow decision making, and sudden came emotions, mostly anger, anxiety. I know that, of course, when you're happy, it's not coming that fast. Mars doesn't help for that. No worry. Okay, we're done. So let's see. What is my lovely color of attack in Poland need? What is the energy that my lovely color of attack in Poland should use today in order to have a successful day? Let's see. 20th of March, we count 20 cards. I will cut the counting because believe me, it's really boring. So, count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here is the 20th card. Neptune Sun conjunction just working perfectly working. So you are watching Attila Rod, and Attila Rod would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help to the channel to come up in YouTube's algorithm, and giving a helping hand, someone who's lost in this Neptune Sun conjunction, in this mess. But I don't want to be so dramatic. In this mess what we have right now, whatever card it is, like the 20th card, it will be on my Instagram account. Please read there and pick up the information, what you think that you need to useful. Okay, intuition. Let's see. What is the useful energy that my lovely color of attack in Poland should use today in order to have a successful day? I just got this yesterday. The Devil. No worry. The Devil. Major Arcana, number 15. In Major Arcana, it's a Capricorn. Capricorn Saturn card. God named Behela. And if this is about your ambition, I know it's Devil. Mostly the Devil, it's an energy what you're focusing on, but for yourself, it's totally useless. But you're focusing on something useless. You're focusing your energy on something which is not useful for you at all. Now, as an energy card, it's asking you to focus on what is your ambition. What is your ambition? What do you want to be? What do you want to do? Where do you want to be the best? Focus on that point today. and use the ambition to be the best, the first, the biggest, whatever. Actually, I like this card. Even the name is Devil, but no, it's not. If you see in a normal reading, as you see, three guys with hands, with phones in their hands. They are using the Master 3 application, which is important in a gay life. The blue application, the red application, and the yellow application. Understand, not understand. But in Instagram there will be the picture, so you can check, you can see what I'm talking about. Because they are taking your energies, you're taking your focus from the more important things from your life. And now this card is asking that leave these applications and focusing what you want to do, what you want to be. This is the one and only thing today what you need to focus on. Focusing, okay? So get all your emotions, all your energy, and just one point. I want to be the best cook. I want to be, I don't know, the second Magda Gessler. I want to be President of the United States. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Just focusing on that point and working for that today. Put all of your energy for that today. I got yesterday this card and it was pretty successful day with the Sun-Neptune conjunction. But it was very great. It was excellent. Really, it was a great day. I hope you will have with this day the same. Slowly I finished because my voice started getting out and I don't have mic. Okay, so focusing on your energies, what you want to be, what you want to do, where you want to be the best. Take care, guys. Have a lovely and an ambitious day. Okay? Merci. Au revoir. Belle journée. À demain.